a yes or no portion. Yes or no? Yes means, green means yes, and no is red. Have you ever engaged in any corrupt practices?
Dapat ba isama sa death penalty ang mga mapapatunayang nangurakot? Oo o hindi? Yes or no? Can we see your answers, please?
Is it time to pass an anti-dynasty law? Yes or no?
Do you support same-sex marriage? Senators Cayetano, Escudero, Onasan, Marcos,
But I think
Congressman
government should be
Robredo.
open to civil unions.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma'am. No explanations here.
Candidates, do you think the Philippines is doing enough to address the urgency of climate change? Yes or no?
Ipaglalaban mo ba ang pagbaba ng income tax? Yes or no? Yes, Senator Cayetano, Escudero, yes. No, Senator Onasan, pagbaba ng income tax?
Pagbaba ng income tax.
Ipaglalaban mo ba pagbaba ng income tax?
Kung yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ang sagot.
Are you going to make telcos accountable for failing to deliver the internet speed that they promised? Yes or no? Do you have future plans to run for president of the Philippines? Do you have future plans
Not of not.
to run for president of the Philippines?
Senator Escudero is hesitating. Senator
has to be
Marcos, what is your
qualified.
No.
I would refuse to answer because
Yes
it
or no lang.
Sorry, no. Just yes or no. Everybody's
Yes or
saying
no.
no, but Senator Trillanes is saying it needs to be qualified.
It needs to be qualified because it's not that simple to answer.
You mean plans
But
today?
we can't
Oh,
qualify
alright.
that, sorry, sir, because we would have to
Yeah.
have qualified all the other yes
And then we
or
need
no
another-
questions. Unfortunately, sir. So, would you like to answer, Senator Sonny?
I have no answer.
No answer.
Alright, but
so
everybody
it's
else-
just Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
plans.
Did you change your mind?
No. I was holding up this because you're asking, do you have any plans? Kung ngayon, wala. But I don't want to put that and then in the future or whatever.
Okay.
You're asking,
Alright.
walang plano sa ngayon.